As we enter the home, you're going to notice luxury vinyl plank flooring, which is your great low maintenance product. We also have tile here in the kitchen, solid surfacing countertops, solid wood cabinetry, just a great open concept floor plan here. You can see the kitchen just runs right into the dining space. You've got your cooktop here in the island, stainless steel French door refrigerator. One of the coolest things about this house is this see-through fireplace. It actually is open on both sides. Really nice high cathedral ceilings, tons of natural light. But can't you imagine just sitting here curled up with a fire going? Now here on the mid-level of the home, this is also where you're going to find your primary bedroom. Tons of natural light here. Nice sized room. You've got double closets. And this leads right into your bathroom. You can see a nice big vanity. Really pretty tile floors. And then we're going to head up to the next level. I actually want to stand back so you can see the stair rail. This is all open. So again, just very light and bright and airy feeling up here. The carpet is all new. It was just installed. More luxury vinyl plank here in your hallway. You do have a doorway leading out to a nice deck area. This is the first guest bedroom. Again, really nice size. We have the hall bathroom here, again with tile floors. This is the third bedroom. Plenty of space in here. And now we're going to head down and take a look on the bottom level, which is where your home office is located. As we come down to the bottom level, we have this set up as a home office. It could also be used as another TV viewing area, like a small den. Lots of different options. You also have your laundry space down here. So you've got laundry behind the bifold doors. This closet has your hot water heater, but a really nice big bathroom. And then this is your entry from the carport. So you do have dry entry here. You can just pull up under the carport, come right in. You don't have to worry if it's raining.